In this video, we'll learn how to generate different types of calibrations in ACS. Navigation. To start this process, navigate to the Cal Creation page via the Certifications drop-down menu in the main menu. Four types of cals. The first step is to choose the type of calibration certification you want to generate. There are 4 types to choose from listed at the top of the calibration page. We'll start with the temperature calibrations and use that as the basis to explain the rest. Equipment selection. In the equipment selection section, choose the location and equipment via the drop-down menu and filter field. Environment. In the Environment section, set the environment temperature and humidity with the manual fields. Setup. In the Setup section, check the first checkbox if the calibration was performed at the point of connection. Check the second checkbox if this test was not completed today, and input the correct date. Choose test instruments and standards using the filter fields. There may already be a standard set based on your settings. You may add multiple test instruments and standards, and also remove any that do not apply. Finally, use the checkboxes in this table to select the instruments being calibrated. Data. There are 2 ways to handle the data section. Both are viable, so choose whichever one suits your preferences. The first option organizes the data based on cal points. Click the New Calibration Point button to add calibration points, and fill out the As Found manual fields. Click between the cal points at the top of the table to switch between them. The As Left fields will auto-populate based on the As Read fields, but can be adjusted as needed. The other option organizes the data based on instruments. Here, the tabs will use the name of the instruments. Click the Add Cal Point Row button to add cal points to each instrument, and fill out the manual fields with data. Comments. The Comments section is optional, and allows you to add comments that will appear on the certification by typing them into the manual field and clicking the Add button. Results. In the Results section, ACS will generate tables of data with results. After verifying the data, click the Submit button to complete the calibration report. The certification will be ready for review within a few minutes. Vacuum cals. Vacuum calibrations are done in a very similar way to temperature calibrations. The main difference is the type of data you'll input into the data section. Conversion cals. Conversion calibrations are also similar. Here are the major differences. In the Setup section, you must choose the type of unit you are converting using this drop-down menu. Frequency. Here, there's a frequency section to fill out. Use the drop-down menus and Assign button to assign frequencies of testing to each instrument. Assigned frequencies will be displayed in the table. Data. Each calibration point in the data section will have a standard reading unit drop-down menu and equivalent manual field to fill out. General calibrations. General calibrations are similar to conversion calibrations and are used for other units of measurement. The main difference is the addition of the standards section. Standards must be assigned to each instrument using this filter field, drop-down menu, and assign button, just like the frequency section.